Hey guys, so this is a rather improvised video, but I wanted to showcase the website building capabilities that I have. Uh, this is just a showcase of a very simple website that I made for my father's company. It's essentially a real estate portfolio. It's very simplistic. Basically, you can choose between cities in which the apartments are located. You can find more detailed information when you click on it. There's automatic geo tracking. Yeah, you have the center of the location, and that's about it. I think where it becomes more interesting. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's of course mobile compatible, responsive design and whatnot. So wherever you open up the web page, it's going to be nice and neat. This is nothing very special. I really threw it together over a couple of days. The neat part, I think, is this. Basically, because he's not very computer savvy, I want to make the part where he can edit things quite intuitive and easy. So it's almost identical to the front of the front page of the website. Here, as you can see, for example, if I want to add a new product, I just click the button, it's automatically created. Here you can add a photo of the thing. Then here you can say, call it wherever you want, add an address which will automatically update London Downing Street. I don't know, 5. Let's see if this actually. Yeah, here we go. Select a city, add a price, add how many square meters it has, describe additional information, add some extra photos. So let's just add something. It does have to load, of course. Here we go. And after that is done, let's say we are finished with this, right? Of course, you can do that over mobile as well. Let's see. Do we have the new product here? And yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure we do. Yeah, here we go. New product. So as you can see, that's it. Very intuitive, very simple, and I think the most important part is that a client can very easily make things, add things, remove things, make changes to them without having to be very savvy. Now I'll showcase another website I built just out of curiosity. I want to use GPT API. It's something that I built entirely for mobile phones, and I know I'm showcasing it on desktop, but here we go. It's basically just a chat GPT app that I made for myself because I don't want to pay 20 euros and I can use GPT-4 or DALI, spending about 60 cents per month despite intensive use. I try to utilize to the highest extent the functionality of AI chatbots roles instead of having to use prompts. So, for example, if I select a chef role and I say, I have ham, lettuce, tomatoes in my fridge. So many spelling mistakes, but notwithstanding, it will just give me a suggestion relating to food instead of asking me, oh, what do you mean by ham, lettuce, and tomatoes? Can you elaborate more? Here it immediately gives me more suggestions. I tried to implement this essentially as a native app which you can make purchases where you can make purchases using just your facial ID and stuff like that. So yeah, it's not meant for PC. I tried launching it on App Store, and it's very doable. However, what I found is that with Bubble, uh, anything that has to do with animations or anything like that runs rather slow on a phone, so I chose not to proceed with it. It's just to showcase that it's very easy to adapt things to a phone or a computer, integrate APIs. I've started messing around with using LangChain as well. So yeah, I just figured I'd share a wee bit of my self-taught competencies. If anybody wants my services, I'm rather homebound right now, so feel free to contact me, or if you would like me to go more in depth on how I actually achieve these things, how the data structure works, the sort of neat tricks that I learned to use in order to make many of these things work, the workflows and whatnot. I'd be happy to share. So yeah, feel free to contact me. Peace.